Just arrived Audi's flagship SUV and one of the best four-wheel drives on the road, without doubt. It's a massive road presence, the Audi Q8. This one is the Vorsprung edition, 50 TDI, which is a 3-litre V6 diesel engine, giving you 286 brake horsepower, 0 to 60 in just around 6 seconds. They're an unbelievable car to drive. But then we've got a Vorsprung edition, which is fully loaded with every extra you could ever possibly want from a performance SUV like this. And it's really, really impressive. In Daytona Grey, with a full black styling package that you get with the Vorsprung. This car's got some incredible features, which I'll list as I go round with you. From the front end, it's got HD matrix lights, the most up-to-date modern lighting system Audi do. Also matrix lights to the rear as well, but I love the stance on the road. It's a big, wide, aggressive car. It is massive, this car, actually. But the key features, as well as the performance and the engine, you get good fuel efficiency, is really things like this panoramic opening sunroof, head-up display, heated, cooled, massage seats, and it's obviously a four-wheel drive Quattro drivetrain with self-leveling air suspension, so the performance is out of this world. 22-inch Vorsprung wheels, they're a gloss black insert with a polished edge, and they look beautiful. The black styling theme continues with the black mirror casings, black window surrounds, privacy glass, a lovely little black strip along the bottom of the doors. It really is a monster, this car. And the spec, the list is just absolutely ginormous. Keyless entry, keyless start, heated rear seats. The LED lighting system in these cars, which I'll show you while you're around the back of the car, is really, really, really cool. Just turn the car on and look at that light strip to the back. We've got the dynamic indicators, all these individual OLED LEDs, which just transform the car at a night time. And if you drive behind one of these Q8s, you'll see how big and wide they are on the road. They're a real presence and a real solid four-wheel drive SUV. And like I say, it is Audi's flagship, so Audi launched this car above the Audi A8. For the years, that's always been Audi's flagship car, but now this Q8 was launched as that. And as well as the road presence, you get a massive boot load. So whatever you're going to put in there, pushchairs, it has the space. You have air suspension settings, switchable from the back here as well. But the car does raise and lower itself depending on how fast you're going, if you're getting in and out of the vehicle. It's all clever stuff. Not only that, it's got incredible safety features, Audi pre-sense, self-braking, adaptive cruise control with lane departure warning. The car will basically drive itself. Honestly, it is really, really impressive. So the safety element of these Q8s is market leading, or it was when they were launched, 100%. Keyless entry, also soft closed doors. Fabulous features that you'll really enjoy from a car like this. Super Sport seats, so it's fine Napa leather seats throughout, but the Super Sport quilted design. Look at the car inside, ambient lighting, rear climate control, heated rear seats, beautiful sunroof, and then the rear blinds as well, which are controllable electrically from the front. Lots of space, but it's just a beautiful cabin. The seats at the front are ventilated, they're heated, the massage function, they're also memory function in the doors for driver and passenger, fully electric. It's an incredible car, it really is. And there's not a bad word to be said about these Q8s from the finishes, especially the Vorsprung edition. Fine Napa leather dashboard, fine Napa leather throughout the tops of the doors. Premium finishes included in the Alcantara roof lining as well. The car is a 68 plate, it's done 47,000 miles in a beautiful condition. So we look at the front end, people ask these questions on the phone, is there any stone chips to the front end? Well, if I'm looking at this front end on the video, there's nothing to note at all damage-wise on the wheels, stone chips. It is very nice. Yes, it's done 47,000 miles. The car's been used, of course it is a used vehicle. But as far as condition goes, it's stunning. Things I've already mentioned, the massage seats electric, we've got Bang & Olufsen surround stereo system. Then jumping in, flat bottom steering wheel, wireless phone charging, smartphone interface throughout as you'd expect, adaptive cruise, head-up display. But as you're looking at the head-up, notice this finish on the dash, the Napa leather, it's stunning. The sunroof tilts and slides with a blind to shut off the sunlight. The roof lining is all Alcantara. The sun blinds all Alcantara, beautiful finishes. And then if we look at some of the technology, it's got digital interface as part of the technology package, all switchable as you'd expect from these new Audis, all very easy to use. 47,254 miles on the clock. Then we've got dual touchscreens now with your climate control, your seat selections. You'll see the heated and ventilated seats, air conditioning, all very easy to use. And it's haptic touch operation, so the car learns how you operate and how you touch it. It's all clever stuff. Navigation, then into the main menu of the car. We've talked about smartphone interface, Bluetooth, DAB radio. You can go into the car's history and settings and switch that around. Hill assist, electronic park brake, S-tronic gearbox, reverse camera, 360 camera, self park, all these different camera views. Look at this. Unbelievable stuff. But then we've also got the 3D surround view camera showing you your car, your full surroundings. Really, really clever. Lovely piano black, almost seamless dashboard, LED lights up at the Quattro, and you can switch all these levels of the ambient lighting. You can have them all different colours, which I really like as well. Wireless phone charging under the armrest, more USBs under there as well. It's a cracking four-wheel drive that gives you 286 brake horsepower from the 50 TDI 3-litre diesel engine, but also looks and performance, and what a car it is. Spec-wise, is off the scale. My name's Richard. You can use my number on the screen to chat to me about this car. Thanks for watching.